Hello engineers. Today we will be discussing about what are the different applications of drone in agriculture engineering. Technical skill required using drones in agriculture engineering. The key drone technical skills that are in demand in agriculture engineering. So what is the first one we will see? First one is remote sensing. So drones can be equipped with a variety of sensors including cameras, lidar, and multispectral sensors to collect data on crop health, soil moisture, and other factors. Remote sensing skills are essential for analyzing these data and extracting meaningful insights from this information. So the drone can be used for remote sensing, and from that, how to extract the data also is very important. Those kind of skills also very important. The second one is the drone piloting, because once the drone, if you want to use in the agriculture field, definitely somebody is to drive it. So piloting, so drone piloting is there. So piloting a drone requires a technical skill in navigation, flight planning, and obstacle avoidance. In agricultural drones, pilots are need to be able to operate drones safely and effectively in variety of weather conditions and terrain conditions. So drone piloting is the other skill which required in the agriculture area. The next one is data analysis. So because we can use drones to generate large amount of data which must be analyzed and interpreted to inform agriculture decision making. So data analysis skills including statistics, data visualization, and machine learning are essential for making sense of this data. So data analysis is the other area where we require skilled people. The other one is mapping and GIS. So drones can be used to create detailed maps of agricultural land, so including soil types, core yields, and topography. So mapping and geographic information systems skills are essential for analyzing this data and making informed decision about land use and crop management. So mapping and GIS is the other area. Then drone maintenance and repair. This technical skills also required because drones require regular maintenance and repairs to ensure that they operate safely and effectively. So technical skills in electronic, mechanics, and softwares are essential for maintaining and repairing drones. So this is the service area for drone are also very important, where you have to do maintenance and repairs of drones. So this is the 5 key areas using drone, because drones can be used to many other applications also. If you found any other applications other than this what I explained here, you can see that drones are used for spraying the pesticides, also giving the fertilizers. So it can reach the advantages that it can go to the remote places where it's very difficult to human being to go every time and come back, or sometimes when we go in between the crop, so it can get destroyed. So we can avoid this kind of things if you are using the drones. So if you find some other applications also in agriculture engineering, agriculture field for the drones and the kind of skills required, you can also comment in the box. So as a conclusion, I like to say that the drone technical skills are becoming increasingly important in the field of agriculture engineering, and drones has a potential to revolutionize agriculture by providing farmers with real-time data on crop health, soil moisture, and other critical factors. Overall, drone technical skills are in high demand in agriculture engineering, as drones have the potential to transform the way the farmers collect and use data, optimize crop yields, and reduce cost. So thank you very much for listening. Put your comments about this subject also if you have any other queries. Thank you very much.